Let us continue the another question of exercise 6.3, question number 11. It is given like this. In figure 6.40, E is a point on side BC. BC is a side and it is produced of an isosceles triangle ABC. ABC is an isosceles triangle. That means AB will be equal to AC and angle B is equal to angle C. आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल में टू साइड्स इक्वल होते हैं और टू एंगल्स भी इक्वल होते हैं. ABC is an isosceles triangle. BC is produced and to a point E, and from this point E to side AC a perpendicular is drawn. AC के ऊपर एक perpendicular लाइन को ड्रॉ किया गया है. If AD is perpendicular to BC and EF is perpendicular to AC, so BC के ऊपर AC के ऊपर perpendiculars ड्रा किए गए हैं at point D and F. So prove that triangle ABD is similar to ECF. So we need to prove here what is given first. The given data is AD is perpendicular on BC and EF is perpendicular on AC. EF is perpendicular on AC. So what else is given? ABC is isosceles triangle. It is an isosceles triangle. It is an isosceles triangle. So we need to prove that. So if it is isosceles, then AB is equal to AC and angle B is equal to angle C. This is the given data. अब हमें प्रूफ करना है. So what is asked to prove? To prove triangle ABD, this one is similar to triangle ECF. So let us consider first of all triangle ABD and ADC. In these two triangles we have these two angles equal and this is 90-90. So in both the triangles we have two angles equal. One angle is BC, B and C, another is ADB and ADC. So these two triangles will be similar. So let us consider both those two triangles which we are supposed to prove that they are similar. In triangle ABD and triangle ECF, in these two triangles we have in angle B, in ABD we have angle B and in ECF we have angle C. So we can write it as angle ABD is equal to, in this triangle B, in ECF angle C, angle ECF. ये दोनों angles equal हैं, right? For your simplicity, I'll just mark this. This is ECF. This is ECF, and then this is ABD. This one. Okay. So here we have ABD and ECF. They both are having same angle B and C. Then another thing we have here is angle ADB. Angle ADB is equal to angle EFC. They both are right angles. Angle EFC, 90 degrees each. So in both the triangles we have two pair of angles which are equal. So therefore by double A criterion, what we can say? Triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF. CF. Hence it is proved. So this is question number 11 from the 6.3 exercise. Now moving forward, question number 12. Question number 12 say it is given like this in textbook. Sides AB and BC and median AD. Sides AB, BC and median AD. This is D of triangle ABC. इस triangle ABC में AB, BC और AD ये तीनों ट्राइंगल PQR में PQ, QR and PM के साथ they all are in the proportional. They are all in the proportional. That means what is given? AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AD by PM. This is given. Okay. So show that triangle ABC and PQR. यहाँ पर तीनों साइड्स यदि दिया होता, तीनों साइड्स ए बी बी सी एंड ए सी भी दिया होता, ए सी एंड पी आर ऑल्सो करस्पॉन्डेंस करके क्वेश्चन में यदि दिया होता, देन वी वुड हैव सेड दे आर ऑलरेडी सिमिलर बाय ट्रिपल एस क्राइटेरियन, बट ए सी इज मिसिंग इन दिस टू. ए सी इज मिसिंग, ए सी एंड पी आर इज नॉट गिवन. सो वी नीड टू प्रूव दैट ए बी सी इज सिमिलर टू पी क्यू आर. तो इसमें जो दिया हुआ इस ए बी बी सी पी क्यू क्यू आर तो ऑलरेडी है. टू पेयर्स ऑफ साइड्स इन बोथ द ट्राइंगल्स. दे आर ऑलरेडी इन द प्रोपोर्शनल. यदि हम ये जो एंगल है इन दोनों एंगल्स को इक्वल करके प्रूफ कर दिया, मान लो इफ वी कैन प्रूव देम दैट दीज टू एंगल्स आर इक्वल, देन वी कैन यूज SAS क्राइटेरियन. SAS क्राइटेरियन यूज करके इन दोनों ट्राइंगल्स को हम सिमिलर प्रूफ कर सकते हैं. बट हियर these two angles are not given. So in order to prove that these two angles are equal, what we will do here is we will take ABD PQM triangles. We will take ABD and PQM triangles and we will prove that they are similar. If they are similar, B and Q will be equal. If B and Q will be equal, then our answer is over. So let us consider a triangle. Consider triangle A B D and triangle P Q M. AD and PM are medians. That means BC is divided into two equal parts. What are they? BD and DC. They are equal. QM and MR, they are also equal. So see here, AB by PQ is already given is equal to, इसी में से हम BC by QR ये जो दिया हुआ है इसी को हम कंसिडर करते हैं AD by PM. AB PQ they are already given, AD PM they are also given. लेकिन BC QR इन दोनों ट्राइंगल्स को प्रूफ करने के लिए इसको डायरेक्टली यूज़ नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन हम कर क्या सकते हैं यहाँ पे पी क्यू इज इक्वल बाई ए बी बाई पी क्यू इज इक्वल टू बी सी और क्यू आर ये दोनों सेम रेशो में है. सो उनके हाफ रेशोज भी सेम होंगे, यानी कि बी सी का हाफ और क्यू आर का हाफ भी सेम होगा. सो आई राइट इट एज हाफ बी सी बाई हाफ क्यू आर. बी सी का हाफ क्यू आर का भी हाफ, ये भी सेम होना चाहिए, होगा भी. एंड देन ए डी बाई पी एम. नेक्स्ट ए बी बाई पी क्यू इज इक्वल टू हाफ बी सी. बी सी का हाफ हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, बी डी, यू कैन राइट इट एज बी डी बाई क्यू आर का हाफ क्यू एम. And then AD by PM will be as it is. Now if you see these two triangles ABD and AQM PQM, we have AB by PQ here and then BD by QM, second side, and then AD by PM, third pair of sides. So all these three sides are in the same ratio. Therefore, we will write here, therefore, triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM according to triple S criterion. Since these two are similar, so we can say that corresponding angles, angle B and angle Q, they are equal. So we can write, therefore, angle B is equal to angle Q. Now see, ये दोनों angles equal हैं, this and this. Now we have AB by PQ है और BC by QR भी दिया हुआ है, और इन दोनों equal ratios के बीच में angle B and Q is also equal. So we'll write statement like this, therefore in triangle ABC, triangle PQR, AB by PQ is equal to AB by PQ ratio BC by QR के साथ इक्वल है, BC by QR ratio के साथ इक्वल है, and then angle B is equal to angle Q. Therefore, finally we will write here, by SAS criterion, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Hence, it is proved. So that is question number 12, and these are the 4 questions. Watch it, understand, and then update in the notebook. We'll meet with the next questions tomorrow. By tomorrow, this exercise will get over. Thank you, good day and goodbye.